welcome back to my channel. Here at Legally Techie, we show you how to use Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suites, for your law firm. And today I'm going to show you how to restore a recently deleted calendar event. So we all have made a mistake of deleting an event from our calendar. How exactly do we restore it without having to recreate the event and re-invite others? So I have this test event here that I'm going to delete. Now, if you go into your gear here, you can actually go to your trash. It has a trash. And right here, you should see events that you recently deleted. Do keep in mind that after 30 days, as it says here, they are permanently deleted. So from there, what you can do is click on it and go ahead and click on the restore button right here, or you can permanently delete it here. So I'm going to restore it. And as you can see, the event is back there. So thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them for you.